So this page is in folder 2 on the front. I'll put myself down here. And folder 2 in the front, the title is How Do They Form? And you're going to answer questions exercise 3 and 4 on the next page. So, how do they form? This page is a review of what we learned, and it explains how earthquakes happen on the surface of the earth. So, ¿cómo se forman? Esta página es una revisión de lo que aprendimos y explica cómo ocurren los terremotos en la superficie de la Tierra. So, I will read each paragraph. Voy a leer cada párrafo. Y después, yo expliqué las palabras sin citas en español. Puedo leer en inglés. Leo en inglés. So, in order to understand how earthquakes occur, it is important to know that the earth is made up of different layers. The inner and outer core of the earth consist of hot materials such as iron and nickel. Temperatures in the core are up to 9,900 degrees Fahrenheit. If you look at the image, there are 4 layers of earth. The crust is the outer layer. The mantle is the next layer. This picture doesn't show, it's the thickest. It is a hot liquid, the outer core, and then the inner core. So, in order to understand how earthquakes occur, you need to understand the layers. La capa que está más afuera, la superficie, la capa más afuera is crust, right? It is the surface of the earth. It is la capa más afuera. Afuera. Ooh, that is terrible. I'm going to fix that. La capa que está más afuera. Es la superficie de la tierra. Más afuera. Okay. The mantle is the layer that is a liquid underneath Earth, the outer core, and then the inner core. So you need to understand in paragraph 1 that Earth is made up of different layers. For paragraph 2, voy a leer en inglés y después voy a explicar en español. The mantle is made up of liquid or melted rock. Melted rock in the mantle is also known as magma. The outermost part is called the crust, which forms the surface of our planet. The crust consists of plates or tectonic plates that fit together like a jigsaw puzzle. These plates are continuously moving, sliding, and colliding against each other. Earthquakes are formed in these cracks along the edges of the plates, which are called fault lines. So, the mantle, la segunda capa, is mantle. It is made of liquid or melted rock. The mantle is made of liquid or melted rock. Melted rock is known as magma. Las palabras están igual, right? They are synonyms, melted rock and magma. The outermost part of the Earth's layers, the outermost part is called the crust. That is the surface of our planet. La corteza es el superficie de la tierra. The crust consists of plates, or the crust consists of tectonic plates that fit together. The crust consists of tectonic plates that fit together. So, hay muchas partes de la corteza y las partes están juntos. Las placas tectónicas se mueven para siempre, all the time, right? Pero se mueven solo un poquito. Earthquakes. So cuando las placas tectónicas se mueven, resultado en earthquakes. Earthquakes are formed in the cracks along the plates. So cuando las placas tectónicas se rompen, right? Tenemos cracks. Hay terremotos. The name of these are called fault lines. The name of the crack. All right. Y la última párrafo en inglés. The inner part of the plates have massive amounts of energy. When there is too much pressure on these plates, some of this energy escapes through the cracks of the crust. The energy forces tectonic plates to slide, move over, and collide against one another. This is when earthquakes happen. The escaping energy, called seismic waves, radiate outwards to the surface of the earth and shake the ground and anything on it. So, ¿por qué las placas tectónicas se mueven? And they se mueven juntos. Hay presión en las placas, right? Porque se, right? Poner juntos con más fuerza. So, como se mueven, hay mucha energía, right? Porque de la presión en las placas, poner juntos, cuando se mueven, hay presión, hay energía. Cuando tenemos energía, a veces resultar en un terremoto. So, when there is too much pressure on the plates, some of the energy escapes. This is when an earthquake happens. So you are going to use everything we read on this page to answer the questions on the next page. Cuando termine con las preguntas, please give them to the teacher and get the next page that you need to complete. So again, when you finish the assignment on these questions, turn it into the teacher and get the paper from the next folder. ¿No entiendes? Voy a explicar. Cuando termine la tarea sobre estas preguntas, entreguésela, oh, that's a new word, entreguésela al maestro o maestra y obtenga el documento de la siguiente carpeta, right? Número 3.